Dear friends, today we are going to learn how to create circular pattern in Solidworks. Click on File, click on New, let the part be selected, click OK. First we shall create the base flange. Click on front plane, go to sketch either by here or by clicking here and clicking this sketch. Go to rectangle, select center rectangle, choose the origin point, make a rectangle of 200 mm, press tab, again enter 200 mm, press enter, click OK, go to features, go to extruded boss, take here 5 mm, press enter, click on OK. Now the base flange is ready. Now we shall create some features on this base flange. Select the surface, go to a sketch. So here we shall create some features. Go to polygon, make a polygon here. I am creating a polygonal feature. You can create any type of features here. Go to features, go to extruded boss. You can dimension it. Now here we want some circular dome type structure in the top of this feature. For that we need a reference plane. Go to reference plane, click on plane. Select these 2 points and select this line. This line is not taking as a reference, no problem. We shall select the top plane and here we shall select the parallel. You have to check which references will work here. So first reference we shall take the top plane. Then in the second reference we shall take this point. And third reference also, here we shall take this point. So here you have to check like that in what way your plane is going to be created. Now here we have the plane. Now select this plane, go to a sketch. Here we need a dome like a structure. Go to circle. create a circle here. So this is the profile for the dome-like structure. Now I will use features of revolved boss to create the dome. I will take the axis this one, click on OK. Now the dome is created. To make this dome more attractive, I will use revolved cut. Select the plane that we have created, go to a sketch, go to line, here I will make a cutting profile, press escape, then go to line, select the center line, create a center line here, press escape, go to features, go to revolved cut, click OK. So here our features are ready. We can hide this plane. Now go to features. We are already in features. Go to pattern, select the circular pattern. So here we have the direction. In the direction what we have to choose. So we don't have any reference to choose in the direction. So what we shall do, we shall go to the top plane, go to a sketch. Now here we shall create a center line. That center line we shall use as the reference. We shall make this center line. We shall make this center line for construction. Exit a sketch. Now go to the pattern, circular pattern. In the direction, now you can select this reference line. Now in the features, we shall select this one, and this one. Now here we have 12 instances. You can increase or decrease as per your requirement. You can hide this center line. Select and click hide. Now we shall go for the advanced option. Go to circular pattern, click on edit feature. Then here we can use the advanced option, that is instances to skip. So suppose you are making a circular pattern but you don't want all the instances, you want some instances to skip. Then what you have to do, you have to select on instances to skip. You will observe that as soon as you will select these instances to skip, the dots will appear in front of all the instances. By activating this, you can select on the dot. You can select on the dots where you want to skip the instance. Like here I want to skip the instance. Here also I want to skip the instance. Here also I want to skip the instance. And here also I want to skip the instance. So in this way, you can use the advanced option in circular pattern, that is instances to skip. Then select OK. So in this way we can use the circular pattern to create many numbers of instances by the same features. This is a very good and very useful property in the Solidworks. This can highly save your time and make you faster in SolidWorks.
Dear friends, I worked very hard to create this high quality video for all of you. It is my humble request that please support me by liking, subscribing and sharing my video so that I may continue uploading these types of high quality videos for you. Please comment below the topic in which you want me to create videos for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.